Hello everyone. Today we will show how can convert PDF to Word documents without losing formatting. That's why we open the Word documents and need to open now your PDF file. I am keeping desktop. I am search this PDF file. This is a Nurmohammad just CV. Okay. Now press OK. Take some time for open. Friends, you can see successfully is converted PDF file to Word file. Now you can edit everything. I am writing there YouTuber and you can write anything. Okay, I am remove this file and make my Gmail address writing there. This is the Kajinur. You can customize as you like. Okay, and if you want to add the mobile number, then you can add your mobile number in there. You can customize as you like. Our full file is converted successfully. Friends, if you don't, you can also remove your picture, also add another picture. And now save again as PDF. Go to the save as and select the document area where I want to save and select the PDF, and you can edit something. I'm writing edit. I finish my name and select the desktop and press save. Okay, now we are close this Word file. Do not save and press yes. What is closed? Now we are open the edit Nurmohammad. This is a file. This is a PDF file. You can see our edit is successfully is finished. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technology.